Hello again, welcome to another video, and today we're looking at this 2014 Fiat 500 Colour Therapy, finished in the Pasadoble Red with the white mirrors and wheels, 1.2 petrol. Very nice looking little car. All nice and clean inside. Got the 500 logo seats. Got all the service history with it. It's full service history and all the book pack with it. Just take a look in the back. It's all nice and clean, nice and dry, no leaks. Spare wheel toolkit all there. It's got a slight little scuff just on the bottom of the bumper there, and a tiny little dent on the roof there. Very slight mark on the door there as well. It's got electric controls there for electric door mirrors, 2 keys. $59,000 miles. Full service history with that. It's been very well looked after. Electric windows, air conditioning. That's all blowing nice and cold. 5-speed manual, conventional handbrake, 12-volt socket, storage space. City button power steering, so you can have the lighter weight steering if you want. Nice and easy to drive, good on fuel, low insurance. So yeah, good fun little car to drive. Easy to park, low road tax. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice little runabout, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.